Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the MonkeyFinger's Lesula. This yo-yo has a really weird shape to it. Very clean on the inside and has kind of sharp edges, so that's why I'm a bit scared to use it. Has a very dramatic indent plateau. It's an inverted plateau sort of look. But, like, it's really good. One of the major things that's really good about this yo-yo is the finger grinds. This is one of my best finger grinding yo-yos. Finger spinning, it's okay, but it's obviously not number one. There's obviously other better ones. For normal play, this is a really wide yo-yo, and it has a good weight distribution, weirdly enough. Because this is by MonkeyFingers, it comes with silicone response pads. The finish on this yo-yo is really good. I'm a little bit scared to just use it normally, just because of the fact that it could cut my lip open. Yeah, it really hurts when it hits your fingers or hands unexpectedly. This one is 7 out of 10, just because it's a little bit scary to play with. But that's been basically the good overview of it. And so yeah, if you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button down below. And hit the likes, and if you have any comments on this yo-yo or questions or comments or anything, throw them down and I can help you figure out what you're trying to figure out. See you guys in the next video.